I have had the termite man come out, and he put out those bait stations, and my neighbor is removing them and putting them in the garbage because our property kind of adjoins.
Right.
Do you know if there's anything I could do about that?
Well, so they're trespassing onto your
Right.
property and removing something that you paid for, that you probably paid hundreds of dollars for, actually?
Right.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I mean, that's a simple one. That's not a termite situation. That's, you know, that's as if your neighbor came over and took anything from your property and threw it in the garbage. They absolutely have no right to do something like that. If you, just like Andrea stated, you paid good money for that. Now we can debate as to whether those traps or those bait traps are actually effective or not, but the point is, you paid for it. You should have it in your yard if you want it in your yard. And no, your neighbor cannot come on your yard, take anything whatsoever, and throw it away. And you know what I would do, you know, in any situation where you have a dispute with a neighbor, you may want to send a letter, send it certified, where you have documentation that you know, notified them of the situation. But if they keep on, and if they won't rectify the situation and they keep on doing it, then you know, you can take authority. I don't know in this case whether you call the cops, because it does sound like a criminal
Theft of property.
theft of property,
Yeah.
and trespass. But yeah, I mean, the neighbor, you know, bottom line is neighbor can't do that.
If you can document it, I'd call the police.
Right.
You know, I'd videotape him taking them.
Right.
You know, if you can do that.